Print all properties of a Python class. I have a class animal with several properties like I now want to print all these properties to a text file. The ugly way I'm doing it now is like Is there a better Pythonic way to do this?
In this simple case, you can use vars. If you want to store Python objects on the disk, you should look at shelf, Python object persistence.
Another way is to call the dir function. See this URL. Note that dir tries to reach any attribute that is possible to reach. Then you can access the attributes, for example, by filtering with double underscores. This is just an example of what is possible to do with dir. Please check the other answers for proper way of doing this.
Maybe you are looking for something like this.
Try pretty. Output.